in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today. Yes, that was excellent. Y'all, you got the big old clap. That was good. So, what does that mean to you? Does anybody want to tell me what this meant to you?
So, we can get white people, but we can get along with each other.
Yes, and that's exactly what he was talking about. And not just white people and black people, people of all colors and different nationalities, so we can all get along and operate in society. All right, so that is Dr. King's speech. I'm gonna just put that there, and I'm gonna show y'all what y'all are gonna make today. This is just a little example. So this is my dream that I wrote, and I put my picture on it, and that's my comic book that I made, because that's what I do. I write comics for little kids, just like you. And so this was my dream. And so my dream was, I have a dream to Primplife, to inspire kids to be smart and live your best life and to show others the light. And then all these people up here, these are all people in Black history. And we're going to talk a little bit about them so you can find out who they are. And then you can make yours. Yes? Yes, you're all smart. Yeah. Can y'all see?
Who's that lady right here?
We're going to talk about her.
She died 2 years ago.
Which one? No, that's Michelle Obama. She's still alive.
Wait, my mom read a book about her.
Yeah.
My mom read a book about her.
All right, y'all. So we're going to get started. And all those cool people you saw, we're going to start. And so we're going to start with civil rights. So who knows what civil rights is? Does anybody want to take a guess? Yes?
No.